Have we got something special for you guys in this box? Let's open it up and show you. All right. Drum roll, please. Obviously, you know because you saw it on the title, but here we have the brand new. Can you see it? Put that down. Look at that. The new Porsche 911 from Lego. Now this creator set has 1,458 pieces, but the cool thing about this set is that it kind of comes with two models. You can't build two models, but you can actually build two variants. So you have the turbo, like you see here, or you can build it as a Targa. So apparently, it's not until bag 8 where you see or where you decide if you want to build the Targa or the turbo, because up to that, it's all the same. And I don't know which way I'm going to go yet. I'm going to put it out there on the YouTube channel and also on Instagram, Everyday Reviews, and put a question there in the stories asking you guys, which one should we build when we get to bag 8? I'm not sure. I like them both, but anyways, I'm not a Lego channel, and you know, a lot of the stuff I do is automotive related, so I thought this was a good fit. So if you are a fan of Porsche and a fan of Lego, or even if you're not a fan of Lego, this might be your gateway into the Lego drug per se. I have quite a few Lego collections going on, especially for car stuff, but yeah, they're a lot of fun. This is just a little review and a little accelerated build on this one, so stick around. Okay, let's see what we have here. You have some indentations in the box here, so that is to open her up. I don't even want to hurt this little box. How does this open here? Do I fold this down? Oh, I really don't want to hurt this box. Does it open on this side as well? Nope, that's it. Okay, I guess we're going to have to open it up here. Ooh. That hurts. Okay, so what do we have here? Bag 5. 1, 10, 8. Tires. Ooh, look at that. A beautiful Porsche manual. They're the instructions here. Targa Turbo. I wish they gave you 2 of them. So lots of bags here. Let's get started. there she is. As you can see, we did go for the Targa. The majority of you that voted said, hey, do the Targa, so we did. So how was the build overall compared to the other creator sets? Well, one of my favorites, well, two of my favorites is the Volkswagen bus and also the Aston Martin James Bond. And I would still say that I like those ones better than this. Not saying that there's anything wrong with this. So the build itself was a good build. It wasn't overly complicated. There were a few places that I found that the manual wasn't very clear in the picture. And any other problems that I had, normally it's usually user error where I might have misplaced something. But a couple of things that I did notice is on the back deck lid here, there are two vertical white pieces, and in our kit, those pieces were missing. However, there were two vertical white printed pieces as license plates. And I think those might have got swapped out somehow, so it wasn't a big deal because I went into the turbo bag and just grabbed them from there and put them on here. Also, the rear bumper area, I was working on something else, and there's two pieces here that the license plates hold on to, and they popped off. And they're really hard to get back on once they're off. It's one of those, you put it on, put one on, and by the time you put the other side on, the other one pops off. That's the only issues I had. However, there's one other little thing. Actually, I went to the Lego store and I looked at their built model, and I was wondering too. I looked at this and I'm thinking, oh, the windshield looks pretty upright on this. And I looked at their build, and yes, they do have a steeper rake on there. I have a feeling I know what happened. As I was doing one part of the build, you have to actually turn it upside down, and by turning it upside down, I had it resting on it and the windshield portion came off, so I had to rebuild that, and I guess I didn't push it down all the way. I don't want to do it right now because by pushing it down, it's probably going to take something else off, and I don't have the time for that right now, but I will rebuild this. And then one other nice thing is I'm going to enjoy this for a while as a Targa, and then when I feel like it, I'm going to take apart the part that made it a Targa, and I'm going to make this into a turbo. So you really are getting two models. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this quick little bonus Lego build, and I hope to see you in the next video. Take care.